Yeah, I actually had I was incarcerated, and we have tablets here in the third.
The sovereign citizen.
I don't have a file up here.
No.
Antonio?
Yes.
I got you. Come on up. And you're going forward today without an attorney?
Yes.
All right, let me see what we got. I've got a file, incident date February 2026, failed to display a valid license. Let me see what I done. All right, you were sentenced on April 16th to pay cash, $500 and 4 days on the work program. Did you pay the money?
Well, I paid $100 towards it.
Okay.
I missed the first day.
Okay.
Told me that meet out front. It was Saturday. They met out back.
Yep.
So I missed.
Yep. Did you come up to the front door and read the sign that said go out back?
Came up to the front door, but I see no sign.
Okay. All right. Are you working, Mr. Kennedy? Where do you work? All right. All right.
Hopefully get back on the work. So I can finish and pay my money so I can be off with.
All right. So let's talk about money first, because that's simpler. When can you take care of that?
Next Thursday.
You're gonna pay it in full?
Definitely pay some of it.
How much?
We still have
Next Thursday is the, oh hell, we're into July already. Right? July 2nd? Then what?
Yeah, I can finish the work program.
No, I'm talking money. We're on money.
I think I can pay at least $100.
Okay. All right. And by our count, you owe us 3 days. You showed up for a day that you weren't scheduled, but they let you work. That never happens. So you got 1 day. I'll let you reschedule 3 days without penalty, but you're not getting Saturdays anymore. So you got to make that work somehow with Uncle Henry. All right. All right. Anything else? All right. Good luck. Let's not see each other again.
What's last thing? Did you see it here?
Yeah, he's waiting on Miss Knapp.
If that is Mr. George Taylor.
Oh.
I named him next, that's what it's supposed to be.
Okay.
He is on the side.
Okay. Is he show cause?
Yeah, she.
What is the?
It's a violation, that's instance.
All right. Mr. Taylor, can you unmute?
Yes.
Mr. Taylor, are you going forward today without an attorney, or do you want to speak to one of our court-appointed attorneys?
I'll go without an attorney, sir.
All right, let me see what I've got. Got 2 files from June 3rd of last year, 2025. I've got a drinking and driving file. You were sentenced on January 22nd of this year. Then from November 24, 25, drinking and driving file, you were sentenced on April 23rd of this year. So my probation department says we've got a problem. You picked up a new charge out of e-course in April, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Where's that at court-wise?
My final conference is August 4th. They bounded over from Lincoln Park, 25th District to
Right.
3rd Circuit.
Okay.
I've been in the county since April 24th.
Yep.
And I'll have my final conference August 4th. Mind you, I'm on probation on 3rd Circuit as well, on another case. So they're actually what they call tracking the case. So
Right. Just keeping an eye on it.
yeah, that's what I'm going through right now. I'm maintaining my innocence in that case, but I know, you're a different judge. I can't really plead my innocence to you, but as far
You
as
can
me,
plead it. I just can't help you with it.
exactly. But
Yeah.
me speaking to you, I'm pleading I'm maintaining my innocence in that case, but I have to go through the proper procedures. And
What's going
hopefully
on with treatment? I got a reference here about something about inpatient.
circuit. So I sent actually like a transcript to the mother of my children and had her fax it over to you, my words, but
Do
she
we have
actually,
I do it from there.
yeah.
Go ahead.
And it was but they haven't followed and agreed with that yet because I have a bond that I can't afford at the moment inside of this county. My mother, she's online right now. She when she gets the funds, she will. And I was actually gonna try treatment again. This is another issue with substance abuse, that I'm feeling.
All right. All right. Hold up just a minute. I want to read what you sent in. And we got somebody observing for you. I don't know who it is though. Oh, that's mom? Okay. So the only reason you're in county right now is because of the bond on this new charge that you can't post, yes?
Yes, sir.
All right.
The letter wasn't anything much out of respect for you, man, because you have been a fair judge to me and stuff like that. I just wanted to, be proactive and let you know exactly what was going on.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I appreciate it. I'd rather have more information than not enough.
Right.
All right. So in the letter, you mentioned both judges. So which judges are those? This new e-course case?
I have a Judge Blunt and I have another judge I just elected for a blind draw. My lawyer elected. I believe his name is Campbell. He's an older black male. And
Okay.
Judge Blunt is my my probation judge.
Right. So you're hopeful that you're going to be able to get into a program. When do you think that's going to happen? After this August date on the e-course case?
Oh, or possibly before. Like I said, I just have to post this bond, and then me voluntarily, I was going to, even without a judge order, I wanted to get a judge order, but due to the severity of my case, they weren't willing to actually lower my bond and give me that at the moment, because they hadn't had all the facts of the case or anything like that. But now things are coming out, and my lawyer is working on, mental health and substance abuse things. So I'm trying to just take it day by day and see how it goes. I have until August 4th to see what's going on my final conference.
Here, I'd like to see something happen, Mr. Taylor, that kind of encompasses all of your all of your court programs problems into one program.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm willing to do for you, if you think it helps you, is I'm willing to adjourn today's hearing until my August date, which was, I think, August 20, to see if you can put a plan. Because this is not the biggest fish you're frying. I get that.
No.
Right? You got that felony.
Yeah.
So I'm willing to adjourn this to August 20, see if you can get in a position where you're actually either in treatment or ready to go in treatment and got a bed available. And then maybe we can do something on these files with treatment too. Does that make sense to you?
It makes a lot of sense, sir. And I appreciate that. You're always fair.
The other thing, the only other thing I could do is just say, you violated probation. I'm going to give you jail time, which might make sense for you if you knew you were going to be there for long term. But if you're thinking you're going to get out on bond, now you're sitting in jail on my files, and we're not accomplishing much.
Exactly.
So that sounds like a plan. Let's adjourn this to August 20, and whatever information you can share with my probation department, as far as, what's going on your other files, that keeps us in the loop, that would be helpful.
I will do, most definitely. And that's a fair decision and I appreciate it.
I'd rather see you in treatment than jail, brother.
I would too, hopefully that it all works out, but everything is in God's hands. And
it all works out in the end. Sometimes we just get confused about why and how.
Most definitely.
All right, so let's go. We'll see you on August 20. And like I said, anything you can, any contact you can make with probation in the meantime to let us know what's going on can't hurt.
I will. It may come from the mother of my children or my mother, but I'll,
No, that's
until I'm
fine.
out of
That's
here.
fine. And your mom's online, so I'm assuming she's hearing what I'm saying.
Most definitely.
All right, good luck to you, guy.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
All right.
The Sovereign Citizen.